Hello everybody and welcome back. I'm back with the holographic collection, and just when you thought it couldn't get any better, I picked up 3 more colors. This one is called Bewitched 9236, and it's close to the Don't Harp on it. It's very nice. I also picked up Enchanted. I don't know if you can see that. It's 9238, and this gorgeous gold. It is called Starlight Star Bright 1091, and they're all by Color Club. So I thought that I would paint the swatches for you so that you can see what they look like going on live. And we'll start with the Bewitched. And then I'll show you what I did with some of the other colors over different polish colors. It's not opaque in the first coat. That's the Bewitched. It's very, very nice. This one is great to go over other colors, and I did do that previously, and I'll show you how nice it looks over other colors. It gives it a beautiful effect. I hope the camera shows you how nice it looks. Now, just so you can get an idea, those are over these colors. It transforms them drastically. Okay, so I'll turn it over so I can show you. This is with the harp on it over it. Beautiful. This beautiful brown color right here, this one, shows up this way. It drastically changes the look of the polish. So if you wanted to wear it this way for a couple days and then switch it up, you can just throw this over it. And I wouldn't recommend more than a few days because then it looks trashy. So that's one coat of the Bewitched, and I'll do a second coat. And I'm applying it liberally so that you can see. You wouldn't apply it this thick on your nail, but for the video we're going to do that. And you can wear it alone, or you can wear it with another color. Next up, let's try a dark color so that we can see the difference beside one another. So this one we said was Supernatural. Okay. Again, you can apply this over other colors. And I could have did this ahead of time, but I just wanted you to see how nice they look. And now we'll go with the gold so that we can not have to wait for the coat to dry. This is the gold. I don't know about you, but I love, 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 love nail polish. Okay, now we're going to do Spell It Out. And under the light, they just look so different. Let's just do that to make it quick. This is beautiful. I love blue. Look at that. That's 2 coats of the Bewitched and 1 coat of the other colors. Oh, look at this. This one is, it's a mystery. For all the purple lovers out there, Looks like candy. And let's do the trick of the trade. How pretty is that? We'll just spin that around. Oh. I'm doing this at a weird angle because I'm trying not to be in the way of the camera, so I'll figure this out. I'm new to this YouTube video portion. I like to watch, but I like to share, so I'm giving it a try. So this one is Black Magic. And that one you can almost, if you wanted to, not really. You can do one coat on the nail if you wanted to. And then this is what they look like if you try them on. Okay. And we will do now the Don't Harp on It. I love that. That's like a silvery, hope you're able to see that. And last but not least, Enchanted. And this is almost like a gold tone as well. And that's, you're able to see through that, so that would be great for applying over other colors. And that's one coat. So let's go to the order that we started. This is the green one. That's very light too. So I would say if you wanted to just wear that, I would do 3 coats of this color, which is Supernatural. Okay. And then we did Bewitched. I would definitely recommend 3 coats of this if you're just wearing this alone. But over polish, you could do 1 or you can do 2 coats. It's totally up to you. This, I would say, the Spell It Out, I think with 2 coats you can be done. And that's just gorgeous. And same with the It's a Mystery. I think 2 coats and you're good to go. That's beautiful. That is really nice. And then we have the Trick of the Trade. This I would say would need 3 coats if you're going to just wear it alone. But if you put a base under it, it would pick up quickly. And you wouldn't need the 3. And the Black Magic, you can get away with 1 or you can do 2 coats as well. 2 always looks better to me. I don't like 1 coat. It just throws that bam into it. And then this is that gold tone, Starlight, Starbright. It's very close to Enchanted, but it just has more of a gold hue when you move it around in the light, or the thicker of the coat that you put on. Looks nice too. And the last one we did was Enchanted. Yeah, because that's Don't Harp on It, and we did 2 coats of that. This is Enchanted. The Enchanted Now. Okay. So, these are all the holographic colors. They're really, really beautiful. See, yeah, that looks better under the light. I hope you like that. And next I'll try the color changing ones that I am debating if I'm going to keep or not. Thanks again for watching. Click and subscribe.